You know, I've heard it many times in the 27 years I've been doing this. Once I bought a Trailtech, I'll only own a Trailtech. Let me show you why. When it comes to paint on a Trailtech trailer, they bead blast down to white steel. There's no phosphate wash, there's no acid wash. It gets sandblasted down to white steel, primed, paint. One of the few paints that stay on. When it comes to Trailtech and the fabrication, they're one of the real manufacturers that use rectangular tubing in most of their structures. Example here, they're using an all 8" by 2" rectangular tube frame. Most manufacturers use a C-channel construction. In their Premier series, it's all about the tube. Trailtech lowboys are all built with fender guards on them. So if you're off a little bit with your skid steer, you're not taking out a fender. With Trailtech, the little differences make up the big differences. For example, they're one of the few manufacturers that use a 3/8 rub rail. A little heavier, a little stronger. With Trailtech, rectangular tube cross members. So what we go to, instead of using a channel or a form material, we actually have them built with 3" by 2" heavy wall tubing.